Welcome back to Washingbear. Today, we're diving into some of the most amazing inventions that were inspired by nature. You'd be surprised how much innovation comes from observing the world around us. But first, can we hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year? If you love discovering mind-blowing facts and amazing inventions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Now, let's get started with the top 10 surprising inventions inspired by nature. 1. Velcro. Velcro was inspired by nature, specifically the burrs that cling to animal fur. A Swiss engineer, Georges de Mestral, noticed how burrs would stick to his clothes and his dog's fur after walks in the woods. This led to the creation of Velcro, a simple yet incredibly effective fastening system used in countless everyday products. 2. Bullet trains design. Japan's Shinkansen bullet trains were inspired by the beak of a kingfisher. The engineers observed how the bird's beak allowed it to dive into the water with minimal splash. By replicating this shape in the train's nose, they were able to reduce air resistance and create a faster, more energy-efficient design. 3. The Lotus effect in self-cleaning surfaces. The self-cleaning properties of the lotus leaf, which repels water and dirt, have been replicated in various technologies. Engineers created self-cleaning surfaces using similar microscopic patterns found on lotus leaves. This innovation is used in everything from clothing to windows and even paints. 4. Sharkskin-inspired surfaces. Sharkskin has unique properties that prevent bacteria from attaching, thanks to the tiny tooth-like structures on its surface. This idea has inspired a range of products, from antibacterial coatings to medical devices that resist infection, offering significant improvements in hygiene and safety. 5. The humble termite in energy-efficient buildings. Termites are known for building highly efficient mounds that maintain a steady internal temperature, no matter how hot or cold it is outside. Engineers used this natural phenomenon to inspire designs for energy-efficient buildings, reducing the need for air conditioning and heating while conserving energy. 6. The whale fin in wind turbines. The design of modern wind turbines owes a lot to the humpback whale's fins. Engineers discovered that the bumps on a whale's fins allow it to maneuver through water more efficiently. Applying this principle to wind turbines has made them more efficient at generating energy, with less noise and greater stability. 7. Spider silk and super strong materials. Spider silk is incredibly strong for its size, being tougher than steel. This has inspired the development of artificial fibers that are used in everything from medical sutures to body armor. Scientists are working on replicating spider silk's strength and flexibility to create ultra-lightweight, high-strength materials. 8. Gecko feet and adhesive technology. Geckos can walk on walls due to the unique structure of their feet. The microscopic hair-like structures on their feet create a huge amount of surface area, allowing them to cling to surfaces without using any sticky substances. This inspired the creation of dry adhesives, which are now used in products ranging from robot technology to sticky pads. 9. The mantis shrimp and advanced imaging technology. The mantis shrimp has some of the most powerful and advanced vision in the animal kingdom. With 16 color receptors, humans have only 3. Researchers have used this to inspire the development of advanced imaging and camera technologies, which have potential uses in medical diagnostics, security systems, and more. 10. The kingfisher in speedboats. The sleek body and beak of the kingfisher bird helped inspire designs for speedboats. Observing how the bird dives into water with minimal splash led engineers to design boats that cut through the water more efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and improving speed. There you have it, the top 10 surprising inventions inspired by nature. Nature's ingenuity has led to some of the most groundbreaking innovations in the world. Which of these did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible discoveries. Thanks for watching.